How to learn English with music. Learning English with music is a fun and effective way to improve your language skills. First, choose songs that you enjoy listening to, as this will keep you motivated. Listen carefully to the lyrics and try to understand their meaning. Write down the lyrics and look up any new words or phrases. Pay attention to pronunciation and intonation as you sing along. This helps improve your speaking and listening skills. Second, learn the meaning behind the songs. Songs often use informal language, idioms, and slang, which can help you understand everyday conversations. Third, sing along to improve your pronunciation. Singing helps you practice rhythm, stress, and melody in speech. Another great idea is to create a playlist of songs that teach English in a fun way. Finally, use music to relax and immerse yourself in the language. By listening to English music regularly, you'll expand your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and have fun learning.